and Jack came home from the gym to find the world's smallest honeybee swarm. I could literally hold the whole thing in one hand. Tiny little swarm, but there's a queen in there, so we're gonna box them up in a little baby nuke and get them going, get them somewhere to live. This is out of one of the hives on this yard. There's about 40 or so hives here. I'm surprised to see a swarm this small. This is literally the smallest one I've ever seen. Tiny, tiny little swarm. Here's a baby nuke they're going into. It's got some drone comb and honey.
Lots of it.
Plenty of honey.
Full, all but that one.
These are coated foundations that have been recoated. Additional coating, I guess. More honey. That one's got room for them to lay in if there's a laying queen in them. And this one here is pretty heavy with honey. Keep your eye on it.
I don't know. Cut these little limbs out of the way first so you can see it. Molly, stop. Just cutting small limbs out of the way so they can get to the bees easily.
And because it rained and I'm fixing to shake a bunch of water in my face.
Yeah, it's gonna get wet when he shakes a limb because it's been raining. No, I'm getting rained on while you're cutting limbs. That's good. Okay, Randy's fixing to cut it off. They're gonna shake it into the box. No.
Dang it, I missed some of them. Get in there. Alright, we got them.
Okay, he's got them in the box, hopefully.
See if you see a queen in there.
No, I don't see a queen. Looking for the queen. Don't see her. Don't see her. Don't see her. Don't see her. There's a bunch of them gathering up there. Put your box back up there a second. Don't see a queen there. And just because you don't see her don't mean she's in there. Or she's not in there. Yeah, put the box under it. I'm going to wrap it one time.
I got
That's the way a professional does it. To wrap the limb one time with a stick and they all fall in the box.
Yeah.
We got most of them. There's a few gathering up on the limb.
So they were building comb, they got their scent on it.
We started to draw it out.
Yeah. We're going to put the box in the tree, leave it open, and see if they'll go to it. Molly.
Come on, Molly.
Come
Molly.
here.
Molly.